Have you ever wondered what 2050 will be like? What will life be like for men and women? Technology, the climate, the population, and the business world. In the following video, we'll briefly explore what life will be like on Earth in 2050. Future videos will look in more detail on what our lives will be like. Today in 2021, we're raising voices against gender inequality and promoting feminism. But 2050 will see the end of feminism and the beginning of a movement supporting men's rights. Let's call it menism. For decades, while giving more opportunity and attention to women, people have been neglecting men's rights. In 2050, there'll be a strong menism movement fighting for men's rights. Let's talk about technology now. Technology has already made our life easier and has already replaced many jobs. But in 2050, it's said that 20% of the people in the United States will lose their jobs because of technology. They'll be replaced by robots and advanced technology. Employment in 2050 will be difficult because of limited jobs and lots of competition among the people for the fewer jobs. So just get prepared for that. We have already seen Tesla, driverless and electric cars in 2021, but in 2050 we'll see 700 million electric vehicles and 300 million autonomous vehicles on the road. In 2050, India will have the world's highest population with almost 1.64 billion. If current trends continue, then the total population of the world is expected to be over 9.8 billion by 2050. Population trends will be very different in 2050. Asia and Africa will see populations increasing quickly, but the opposite will occur in Europe and the Americas, where populations will not increase as quickly. People will only have one child, or in many cases, no children in 2050. Reason? The increasing needs and demands on people and the cost of raising children. Let's get to business now. Today, most people are running and getting jobs in small-scale industry. But in 2050, many of small businesses will be replaced by large-scale businesses. Now, let's talk about the richest man in 2050. At the end of 2050, the number of trillionaires will be more than 10. You might be confused between billionaire and trillionaire. And if we combine the net worth of those 10 trillionaires, then it might be equal to the net worth of the rest of the world's population. We can't predict who'll be the richest person in 2050, but one thing is 99% certain: he or she will be from the technology sector. Let's talk about the environment and global warming. As the temperature of the Earth will keep on rising, people will have no choice but to work during the night and sleep in the daytime. Conflict between countries will occur due to global warming, and even the possibility of World War III may occur. Every country has different income and different living standards. While some countries are spending billions of dollars to stop global warming, some countries are not able to stop pollution due to poverty. But their pollution is affecting the whole Earth. There is no doubt that one day countries will start blaming each other for environmental change, which could lead to war. In 2050, the world will be very different to what we know in 2021. Are you ready? Please look out for future upcoming videos which will explore each of these areas in much more detail.